Good morning, students. In last class, we discussed about the classification of the rural settlement. Now, here the pattern of the rural settlement. The villages also found in the different types, and now we discuss about the patterns of the rural settlement. First of all, here number one is linear pattern. Linear pattern. What is linear pattern? Then the settlements, then the residents develop nearby, both side of the road, railway track, river, and the lake. What here? Then here we consider that here the road, then the residents are developed nearby the both side of the road, and here both side of the railway track, both side of the river, This type of the pattern, this type of the settlement pattern is known as the linear pattern. And the example of the linear pattern is the good example found in the Barwada village in Jaipur district. Barwada village in Jaipur district is example of the linear pattern. It is example of the linear pattern. And fertile plain of the Ganga also found here this type linear patterns. Clear? Next year arrow pattern. The arrow pattern type is arrow pattern. Think like this, here arrow, okay, and here the pattern develop. And this type of the pattern develop. The example is Chilka Lake. एग्जाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आपको जो ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है, एग्जाम में क्या था, डायरेक्टली हियर द ड्रॉ द लीनियर पैटर्न, ड्रॉ द ट्रायंगुलर पैटर्न, ड्रॉ द रेडियल पैटर्न, ठीक है, डायरेक्टली हियर द क्वेश्चन अबाउट द ड्रॉ द पैटर्न. तो आपको क्या करना, अच्छे से पैटर्न कैसे बना हुआ है वो आपको अच्छे से देखना है. थर्ड हियर द ट्रायंगुलर पैटर्न. कैसे बनता है? ट्रायंगुलर पैटर्न हियर, देन one road here, another road is here, then here the river here, all these are joined, and here develop here the residence. This type of the pattern is known as the triangular pattern. Clear? Triangular pattern में क्या हो रहा है? Here the two roads, here the rivers meet here, and they like at triangular. This type of triangular pattern found in the Punjab and Haryana. Next here the rectangular pattern. When the two way, first here this, like here these two ways, and along these ways here the settlement develop. Here residents develop. And this type of settlement is known as the rectangular settlements. ठीक है क्या? rectangular pattern settlements. And this type of pattern settlement found in fertile plains of the river. Found the rectangular pattern. Clear? Then here the radical pattern. Found in the Ganga plain and the Tamil Nadu. Radical pattern found in the Ganga plain and the Tamil Nadu. This type of here the main one here the main central region. Then here the many here roads, and many roads are covered, joined in the central part. And this type of the pattern is known as the radical pattern. Clear? This type of pattern is known as the radical pattern, and this type of pattern found in the Upper Ganga plain and the Tamil Nadu. Next is the circular pattern. कैसे बनता है ध्यान देंगे हम. The circular pattern, then here the mid part, here the pond. यहाँ पे क्या है? Pond है, ठीक है. Near the pond here the water source, then here many residents develop nearby pond. This type of pattern is known as the circular pattern. Then many purpose, for the security purpose also, for the या तो क्या हो यहाँ पे water part, then here the security purpose like the villagers, the fear of the wild animal. The villagers क्या कर रहे हैं, जो animals को क्या रखते हैं in the mid part of the village. This type of settlement are the example of the circular pattern. And the Next is star pattern. What is here the star pattern? Star pattern, then here the radical pattern develop in like a star shape. Like a star shape, one road is here, second another is here, another is here, and here the what develop here? Here the develop the settlements here, and the radical pattern convert in the star pattern. Star pattern. Clear? Then the fan pattern also, like the fan. Then the random pattern. Random pattern. Random pattern में क्या होता है? One here the one here the road, another road, another road, another road, another road, another road, and at the settlement. Then here the road, then settlement here. So different type of here. जिसे कह सकते हैं अजीब सा अनियमित, पता ही नहीं कहाँ पे क्या रोड मिल रहा है. This type of the settlement known as the random pattern. And random pattern famous example found in the Lisadi village, Bara district of Rajasthan. Bara district of Rajasthan. Here the example is Lisadi village. Example is here the Lisadi village. Then the terrace pattern, the stair pattern, terrace pattern. What here the type of the terrace pattern? Then here mountainous region. Then here the settlement found here. The settlement found in the कैसे दिखाई दे रहे हैं? Look like here stairs. This type of the found in the Himalayas, Rockies, Alps mountain ranges. Terrace pattern. Then here the honeybee pattern. Here the settlements like the honeybee जो मधुमक्खी का छत्ता होता है ना, वैसा क्या हो जाता है ना. Then here the village found. This type of pattern is known as the honeybee pattern. Like here the Toda tribes, fishermen of the Andhra Pradesh, and the Zulu habitat of the South Africa. All these are the example. Yeah, the rural settlement are the example of the honeybee pattern. So all these are here the rural settlement patterns, and in exam here the question is related to draw the pattern.